Guevara Herrera. And today I come to explain about the symbols included in the IPA and its pronunciation and sound. IPA symbols part 1 part 1. Symbols for the common sounds of English. The IPA is used by foreign language students and teachers, linguists, singers, actors, constructed language creators, and translators. IPA symbols are composed of one or more elements of two basic types, letters and diacritics. For example, the sound of the English letter to may be transcribed in IPA with a single letter T or with a letter plus diacritics TH, depending on how precise one wishes to be. Often lashes are used to signal broad or phonetic transcription. Thus, T is less specific than and could refer to H, TH, or T, depending on the context and language. IPA symbols. In the following chart, you can make an idea about the vowel sounds and the IPA symbols. IPA symbols. I, there, three, A, B, A, fat, R, far, O, sort, O, put, O, boat, A, up, air, hair, A, until, A, bed, O, rock. IPA symbols part 2. Diphthong and consonant. IPA symbols are a complete guide about how to pronounce standard English, but they are not used as symbol complex to represent the pronunciation of a word because the language is a phenomenon and it needs to be studied in this way. In this second part of the IPA, we are going to study the diphthongs and the consonants. Diphthongs. Next, the IPA symbols using the diphthongs will be shown in a table. IPA symbols. Ear, stay. I, try. Oi, toy. Air, fair. Air, there. Over, sur. Oh, mouth. Oh, nose. Consonant. We find in the table the following consonants as we can see below. APA, an example. Ba, bat, lab. Did, lad. Fin, if. Give, flag. How. Yes, yellow. Cat, back. All, leg, little. And sing, finger. Pet, map. Teach, this, this mother. Thanks for your attention.